Hey guys, it's Georgia from the Ekka. Today we're going to be checking out some rides. First up's the Joker. It was so much fun. If you're a thrill seeker, definitely check it out. I've never been that high upside down in the air before, so check it out at this year's Ekka. Guys, now we're at the Phoenix. I'm, to be honest, terrified, but we'll give it a go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! The Phoenix is definitely one for the families. It looks a lot worse than it actually is, guys. Check it out. It's time for the Ferris wheel. I'm so excited about this one. Hopefully it's a bit more calm than the other ones we've just been on. Hey guys, now we're on the Ferris wheel. This one's so nice and calm. It's a beautiful view of the Ekka. This one's a lot more comfortable than the other ones. That was definitely my ride. Guys, now we're hopping on the freak out. It says kid friendly, but I'm not sure about that.